Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to discuss the Bosch Dishwasher error code E22, its causes, and how to fix it. But first, what does error code E22 mean in a Bosch dishwasher? Bosch's dishwasher error code E22 means that there's a water drainage issue with the dishwasher. It causes the dishwasher to continue holding water after a cleaning cycle, which means that your dishes won't be effectively cleaned. Fortunately, there are solutions to this error that will get your dishwasher back to running. The following are common causes of the E22 error code on your Bosch dishwasher. Clogged dishwasher filter. The dishwasher filter collects all food particles and other debris from the dishwasher. Over time, the accumulation of those scraps may cause drainage blockage. This is often the cause of error code E22 on your Bosch dishwasher. Blocked or damaged drain hose and dishwasher pump. The dishwasher drain hose may be blocked by foreign materials, including calcium buildup and scraps, which affects the efficiency of the dishwasher drainage system. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the Bosch dishwasher error code E22. Inspect and clean the filters. Do this. Turn the dishwasher power off and unplug it. Remove the bottom rack and spray the arm of the washer. You'll find a circular filter at the center of the mesh panel square. Rotate the filter anti-clockwise to loosen it and gently pull it out. Remove the metallic mesh panel to access the fine mesh filter. Thoroughly clean all the filter components with soap and warm water. Place the filter components back in their respective places. Turn the filter in a clockwise rotation to lock it in place. Return the spray arm and dish rack to the dishwasher. Plug the dishwasher to a power supply and turn it on. Check for the disappearance of the error by running a quick cycle. Examine the drain hose and pump for blockages. Do this. Disconnect from power for safety. Remove the dishwasher kick plate. Disconnect the electrical box, water inlet, and drainage hose to remove the dishwasher from under the cabinet, giving you access to the pumps. There will be a circulation and drainage pump. Check for blockages on both. Pull out any clogs that may be stuck. And be careful, as there might be sharp objects clogged. In case of calcium buildups, use a descaling solution to clean the hoses. Reconnect all components and run a quick cycle to check whether the issue has been resolved. Seek expert help. If your issue persists, it could be a problem with the control board, in which case it is advisable to call on a professional technician to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.